i-celebrate natin ang Maricar at ng Panguluan ng City, Pangasinan. So yan ma'am, dito po tayo sa harap na. Yan. So ma'am, matanong ka lang po, may idea na po ba kayo kung sino o kung sino o kanino ang nagpadala ng girlfriend ng ito? So kung wala ma'am, nanonood po ba kayo ng Wawawin? Paano kung sabihin kong si Miss? Siyempre, bigyan ng jacket yan! Siyempre, joke lang. Ayan. So yun. So wala kayong alam kung sino ang nagpadala ng sorpresa. Nagpadala ko si sender ng message sa inyo at babasahin ko na po para sa inyo. So yan. To my one and only Maricar, love Maricar, you are God to be my forever partner. I wish you all the happiness that you deserve, and I hope that I will be part of the greatest happiness in your life. I will love you forever, and I'm dying to see you very soon. So, kilala niyo po ba kung sino na? So, bago ang lahat, isa may pinadala ulit si sender ng video clip at i-play namin. At panoorin niyo na po, ma'am.
Is this real?
Hello, Maricar. How are you? You know who this is? At this time, I'm just going to say a short few words about your birthday that I missed. And I'm very sorry. And that would be the only time I will ever miss your birthday. It will never happen again. I love you. And I hope you enjoy. I hope to see you soon. Love you.
So yun, palakpakan naman po natin yan, ha? Ma'am at anak. So alam niyo na kung sino ang nagpadala ng sorpresang ito. Pwede po bang magbigay po sila ng message or kung anong masasabi niyo sa sender?
Hello Julian, I'm overwhelmed with this surprise. Really, I didn't expect it, but I'm so thankful and really I'm amazed. I'm so surprised, and I hope to see you soon. So thank you for this big surprise. First time ever, and it's really overwhelming. Thank you very much.
Yun, napakagandang message po. Sa mga family members po, sa mga friends na gusto mong bigay ng message sa ating birthday celebrant. So yun, kung wala na po, para mapasaya po natin, lalo si Mama, sabayan niyo po akong kantahan ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So yun, may pinadalang surprise cake ang ating sender at kailangan po muna natin mag-wish at magbilang ng 3 counts bago i-blow ang ating surprise cake. So yun, magbilang po tayo and 3, 2, 1. So yun, palakpakan natin si Ma'am. So yun, sa mga ano po, sa mga family members na gustong makipag-picture dito sa harap, sa ating birthday celebrant.